Testing the first monoblock, one of two from the Ampex console system. You may have seen the earlier video of the 402 preamp. I think it's the 402, and I've just checked all the tubes. I think this one here is an EF86, so I'm unable to test that one, and just powered up on the Variac, and I'm running direct out of a CD because it's got preamp output on that enough, you know. That's working. If that's a hum or not. Okay, bit of distortion on this. It's going to have to be checked over. Could be this tube. I was unable to test this tube. These are all good. Stood for 25 years apparently. Yeah, could be capacitor, or I'm not that technical. Anyway, later I'll try it with a preamp. Might be that the level is too high for this. Not sure. So, alright, that's it for now. A bit more testing later on.